Hello, I'm Brian Donahue with Safety Speed Cut Manufacturing, one of the original American-made machines in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Excited about IWF 2008. I'm here with our new product, the Hot Air and Glue Pot Edge Banders. They were a Canadian-made product, have now been moved down to Minnesota earlier this year and being made by our company. We are celebrating our 50th year this year, so we're excited about IWF and what it has this year, and look forward to continuing to grow our line. I'm standing here in front of our two newest product lines, which are our edge banders. We have a hot air edge bander and also a glue pot edge bander for the 1 to 5 person cabinet shop. A chance to improve your production by 500%, and that's a conservative estimate. I'm going to walk you around and show you some of our other line also. We've got the wide belt sanders that we also manufacture. We started manufacturing wide belt sanders in 2003. It was also an American-made company, and we brought it down into our facility in Minnesota again. And we make all the components up in Minnesota, weld the frames, paint them. It's a very simple machine, but yet hard-working and long-lasting machine. We have a 37-inch wide by 60-inch sander, and we have a 43 by 75-inch sander. As we process through the booth here, we do have our complete line here at IWF, and it's a great place to see our line. This is our 4375. It also comes in single-phase or three-phase power. I'll just talk and have you look a little bit at the full line that we have here at the show. Our model TR2, which is a table router. It's for the shop that's doing dadoing and doing it, on a consistent basis. Very safe way to do your dados, consistent depth. It has a 36-inch cross-cut ability on it. A great example, we have a local cabinet shop that uses it, and he's has his son be able to dado on there safely versus using a dado blade on a table saw. So, a great application, put your kids to work. Then we've got the SR5U, which is a combination machine. We're kind of looking at the back of it here a little bit, but it's got the router head and a saw head on it that are interchangeable. They can be interchanged within about 30 seconds once you get good at it. A minute when you're bad at it, but you can put on a saw or a router, and it makes two machines into one. We'll kind of walk just over here. We've got several different models of panel saws. We've got starting in our models a C4 vertical panel saw, which is a smaller portable vertical panel saw, and then we start moving up the line. So depending on your application, your need, we can solve it for you with the vertical cutting capacity. The advantages of vertical versus a table saw are safety. I'll kind of show you in here a little bit. You'll see your blade is completely concealed underneath this pan, so you're not going to get your hands in a way of easily cutting them. It's very ergonomical because you're not having to manage a panel up onto a table saw. It's space savings. I mean, some big advantages of a vertical panel saw. We have different models, as I mentioned. We have the H model, which allows you, generally we sell that to a cabinet shop that's doing maybe 1 to 2 hours of cutting a day. We have our model 6400, which is this model. You'll see this in a lot of home centers, lumber yards. They use it to cut all their panel goods for their customers. Then we have our model 7400, which is a high production model. We'll walk over there real quick here and just see that model. 7400 is our highest capacity model. Guaranteed within 5 thousandths of an inch. If we go back to our other line, it's our H series is a 32nd of an inch guaranteed accuracy. Our 6400 is within a 64th of an inch. So very, very strong tolerances, and that's directly from our factory. We've had guys making our machines for 35 years, as long as some of our employees. We're a 28-person shop, and we're proud to be one of the few remaining good American manufacturers. We do import one machine, and that is our largest machine. It's imported from Europe. The only difference that has is it's got a traveling beam from right to left. So if a customer generally we see customers that have bought an H machine or a 6400, and they want a capacity that they move their beam versus sliding their panel through. So then they'll come back and buy an ES52 from us. Our line is continuing to expand, and we're really looking forward to a great IWF and in a lot of years to come. And we hope we get the support of all our fellow Americans out there to buy our products.